Hi dear students, I hope you all are well and you like my videos. So if you like my videos, please press the subscribe button and bell icon for latest notifications of videos. Let's start our next question number 11 of class 12, exercise 6.1. So we have a particle moves along the curve. Curve is given 6y equal to x cube plus 2. Find the points on the curve at which y coordinate is changing 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. So I am writing for the last line first. Solution is y coordinate is changing, means rate of change of y coordinate is 8 times the rate of change of x coordinate. It implies we have dy over dx equal to 8. Mark it as first equation. Next, you have equation of curve. Equation of curve is 6y equal to x cube plus 2. You have to find coordinates of points on the curve. So we will find here first derivative. So write differentiating with respect to x. It will be 6 into dy over dx. Derivative of x cube 3x square of constant, it is 0. So you have this only. You can write in this way. First of all, write derivatives value dy over dx from 1. 6 into 8 equal to 3x square. Mention we used equation 1 here. It will be 48. I am shifting 3 to this side equal to x square, or it will be cancellation possible 16. Now x square equal to 16 or x equal to plus minus square root of 16, 4. So we have two options for x. To get answer of y, we will mark values by using this equation. So you can mark one thing here. You can give it number 2. Give number 2 to this equation. So we will write if x is 4, then from equation 2 we can find y's value. 6y equal to x is 4, so 4 cube plus 2. 6y equal to 64 plus 2, or y 66 over 6 or 11. So y is 11. So we have, yes, x4 y 11. One point is here. Secondly, I am going to write in this side. Last calculation is if x is equal to minus 4, then from 2 is 6y equal to minus 4 cube plus 2, or 6y equal to minus 64 plus 2, 6y equal to minus 62, or y equal to, yes, y equal to minus 62 over 6, or cancellation possible 31 over 3. So it is minus 31 over 3. Second point is minus 4 minus 31 over 3. So in the end you can give answer of this part, that is, therefore required points on the curve are, we will mention in this way, therefore required points on the curve are, required points on the curve are, what are they? First one is 4, 11, and the second one is minus 4 minus 31 over 3. This was our question number 11. See next what is given in question number 12. Question number 12 is the radius of an air bubble is increasing at the rate of 1 over 2 centimeter per second. So given is centimeter per second means with respect to time. So given rate of change of radius with respect to time is 1 over 2 centimeter per second. At what rate is the volume of bubble increasing when the radius is 1 centimeter? R given 1 centimeter. You have to find rate of change of volume of bubble. And bubble is like a sphere. And what is volume of sphere? Because volume of sphere or volume of spherical bubble, how will you write? It is V, which is 4 over 3 pi r cube. Now write derivative with respect to t, dv upon dt. 4 over 3 pi as it is, r cube will give 3r square into dr upon dt. 3 cancelled. Since 4 pi as it is, you have r equal to 1. I am writing 1. and dr over dt, which is 1 over 2. And in the end, no need to worry about units. Since you are writing about volume, you can mark volume is in centimeter cube. With respect to time you are writing, it means it is per second. Solve it further. It will give 2 pi centimeter cube per second. The easy method I explained, okay? So there is no difficulty, I think. And try to remember these things. They are very beneficial and helpful for you. So see what is given next in question number 13. Statement of question number 13 is a balloon which always remains spherical has a variable diameter 3 over 2 into 2x plus 1. Find the rate of change of its volume with respect to x. Let's start it. See what is given. Diameter of balloon or spherical balloon, it is 3 over 2, 2x plus 1. What about radius then? Radius of spherical balloon, which is r, half of this means 3 over 4, 2x plus 1. Then you have to find the rate of change of its volume with respect to x. So what is volume of? Volume of spherical balloon. What is volume of spherical balloon? Yes, it is V. 4 over 3 pi radius cube, which is r. And what about rate of change of volume with respect to x? Very first thing you have to write value of r in this. What is r? R is in terms of x given to you. So firstly solve it. 4 over 3 pi. R is 3 over 4 2x plus 1 raised to power, yes, whole power 3. So we will solve it. 4 over 3 into pi and 3 over 4 3 times, 3 over 4, 3 over 4, 3 over 4, and lastly you can mark 2x plus 1 raised to power 3. This power we are using, 3 cancelled, 4 cancelled, so you have 3 into 3 9 upon 4 into 4 16, and along with pi and 2x plus 1 raised to power 3. But we want to find rate of change of volume with respect to x. So we will write differentiating with respect to x. So it will be dv over dx, and there will not be any effect on 9 pi upon 16. But what is derivative of 2x plus 1 raised to power 3? 3 will come in front, so we will write it as 3 into power of 2x plus 1 will be 1 less, that is 2. And what about derivative of 2x plus 1? It will be derivative of 2x is 2 and of 1 is 0. So you have only this calculation left. So we will solve it further. It will be cancelled, okay, 2 with 16, it will give 8. So you have 9 over 8. Sorry, 9 into 3, 27 upon 8 into pi along with 2x plus 1 raised to power 2. Now it is volume with respect to x. So how will you write it as our answer? So volume always in, yes, cubic unit, and per unit we can say, because there is no meter, centimeter, nothing given. So it is cubic unit per unit. So we can mark in this way. It will be our required answer of question number 13. See next what is given in question number 14. Students, our question number 14 is stand. In question number 14 we have sand is pouring from pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. What is meaning of this? Centimeter cube means volume, per second means we have rate of change of volume with respect to time. Then they have given the falling sand forms a cone on the ground in such a way that the height of the cone. So we have height of the cone which always 1/6 of the radius of the base. So there are three things: volume, height, radius of the cone. How fast is the height of the sand cone is increasing when the height is 4 centimeter. So how fast is the height of the sand cone is increasing, means rate of change of height we need to find when height h is equal to or height is equal to 4 centimeters. So let's start it. Not a difficult task again. So let r be the radius and h be the height of cone having volume V, capital V. So what is given? Rate of change of volume with respect to time, it is 12 centimeter cube per second. Secondly, you have height. See, height of the cone, which is h, is always 1/6, means 1/6 of the radius. In other words, we can say radius is equal to 6 times height. So we have this. Now you know volume of cone. Volume of cone is, what is volume of cone? 1/3 pi r square h. It is 1/3 part of volume of a cylinder. Now you have h in this r in terms of h. We will replace r by its value, that is v equal to 1/3 pi r square means 6h square into h. And finally it will be 1/3 pi into 36h square into h, or cancellation possible, 12 pi h cube. Now we will find its derivative with respect to, yes, rate of change of volume given with respect to time. So we will write differentiating with respect to time. So it will be dv over dt equal to 12 pi as it is. What about derivative of h cube? It is 3h square into dh over dt. Now only calculation work left. We have two things with us. First thing, that is dv over dh. We have here, it is dv over dt, sorry. We have dv over dt, its value 12. And in the other side, we have h also. H is given, what is h? H is 4. H is given 4 here, so height is 4. We will mention here height also equal to 4 centimeters. So mention here these things. Now we are going to use all these values in the calculation. See what is calculation of this part. I am writing calculation here. dv over dt is 12. I am ignoring units here for the time. 12 into pi into 3h square. H means 4 square into dh over dt. 12 cancelled. So you have this value only, which is, here I will mark 1, or if you are confused, okay, then we can write in this way. 12 was equal to 12 pi, shift 12 over these all values in the left side. 12 pi into 3 into 4 square, all these values in the left side equal to dh over dt, or this can be written as dh over dt. 12 cancelled, so you have 1 over 4 into 4, 16 into 3, 48 pi. And this is rate of change of height. Height in centimeters with respect to time means seconds. This was our question number 14. Next one is given in question number 15. Students, our question number 15 is the total cost C, which is function of x, in rupees associated with the production of x units. So it is function of number of units actually of an item is given by this relation, okay, Cx. This is the statement of Cx. Find the marginal cost when 17 units are produced. So very first thing, start from the given. So given is Cx 0.007x cube minus 0.003x square plus 15x plus 4000. Students, remember here marginal cost is actually derivative of this Cx with respect to x. So what is our marginal cost? Therefore marginal cost, remember this, okay, marginal cost is dc over dx, or we can say write the derivative, it is 0.07 as it is 3x square, then 2 with this we will multiply, okay, it is 2 into x, and lastly 15 into 1, and 4000's derivative is 0. It will be 0.07 0.021 x square minus 0.006 x plus 15. Now we have 17 units produced, so we will find its answer at x equal to 17. So put 17 here, 0.021 into 17 square minus 0.006 into 17 plus 15. So we have 0.021, 17 square 289, and here you have minus 0.102 plus 15, or 289 into 21 we will find first, then we will see marking of a decimal. So 21 into this 289, and here it will be 18 1, 17 1, 4 5, so 9, 16 1, 10, 6, 6069, 6069, and decimal will be after 6. So it is 6.069 minus 0.102 plus 15. So I am going to add 15 and this 6.069, it will be 21.069. So 21.069 minus 0.102. Lastly, we will subtract these. I am writing calculation here. 21.069 minus 0.102 will give 7, 6, and here 10, 0 will left. So we have 10 minus 1, 9, and here 20, 20.967. 20.967. Students, question number 16 is another similar question to question number 15. The total revenue in rupees received from the sale of X units of a product is given by, this is the revenue. So we have to write first R, which is function of X, 13x square plus 26x plus 15. Find the marginal revenue when X is equal to 7. So we need margin. Margin is nothing, only its derivative. So we will write there for marginal revenue is, it is dr over dx, because we are dealing with x units, is 13 into 2x plus 26 into 1 plus 0, or 26x plus 26. Now you have requirement for x equal to 7, so dr over dx at x equal to 7, it will be 26 into 7 plus 26, or 182 plus 26, or 208. Students, in question number 17 and 18 we have to choose our correct answers. They are MCQ type questions. So question number 17 is the rate of change of area of circle with respect to its radius r at r equal to 6 cm is. There are 4 options. Let's start its calculation first. So what is area of circle? That area of circle is pi r square, which is a. And what about rate of change of area with respect to radius? It is dA over dr, pi into 2r. This r square will give derivative 2r. So you have 2 pi r, then dA over dr at radius 6 cm will be 2 pi into r 6 cm, or 12 pi centimeters. So what is its answer? It is, yes, 12 pi. 12 pi is option number B. So answer is option number B. So only one question left. See what is given in question number 18. So here is our last question number 18. The total revenue in rupees received from the sale of X units of product is given by this. So let's start its calculation. Rx is 3x square plus 36x plus 5. Then they have given the marginal revenue when x equal to 15 is. So marginal revenue is, therefore marginal revenue is, what is marginal revenue? It is only derivative of this r with respect to x, or it will be, derivative will be, just write in proper way, okay, 3 into derivative of x square is 2x, of 36x is 36 into 1 plus of constant value 0, so 6x plus 36. Now you have to find answer when x equal to 15. So dr over dx at x equal to 15. So 6 into 15 plus 36. Yes, 80 plus 36, 116. So where is our answer? Answer is option number A. So this is our last question number 18. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you are understanding all these concepts explained in easy way. Keep in touch and don't forget to press the bell icon for latest notifications. Thanks for watching.